guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today we're doing a first impressions video of a brand I've been dying to try for so long. I always see pictures of them on social media, I see their ads, and they recently reached out to me to see if I wanted to partner up for a first impressions video on their products. So I'm really excited about this. The brand is called Winky Lux, and if you haven't heard of them, just check out their packaging, please. Everything from the box to the actual little makeup packages are the cutest, most beautiful little floral things I've ever seen. It got me super excited to try these out just by looking at the packages, and then the products themselves look so freaking cool. Winky Lux was awesome enough to give me a special link for you guys where you can actually get a lipstick for free with a $15 purchase. Go ahead and click my link down below and enter the promo code SHAE. But again, check the bottom box down below. So let's get started. I have everything here. I have face makeup, concealer, primer, eyeshadows, lip color, bronzer. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Let's just go ahead and jump into it. The first little item we're gonna be trying is the Winky Lux Whipped Cream Primer. How awesome is this packaging? It's like legit magical. It looks super luxurious. That's what Winky Lux is known best for. They make super luxurious color cosmetics for an unbelievable price. This here is the Whipped Primer. Isn't it cute? Really light pink. I just love the packaging. And even though their prices are great, they actually use really high-end ingredients. This is so interesting. I like have it in a little ball on my hands. It is so weird. Another cool part, oh, this is smooth. This is super smooth. What I was going to say before I got distracted by the smoothness is that even though Winky Lux has such great prices, they use some of the best ingredients known to womankind. You like that? We switched up the mankind for womankind. I like it. So you're not putting a bunch of junk on your face. In fact, they're cruelty-free, they are paraben-free, they are sulfate-free. There's no gluten, there's no phthalates, and they are cruelty-free, 100% cruelty-free. This feels so soft. I can't even describe it. Next on top of that, we're going to try the White Tea Tinted Veil. Again, the packaging is insane. I love that it's in a pump form, and it's beautiful. So this is actually a tinted moisturizer, which is cool. It uses white tea and pomegranate extracts to help protect the skin, while vitamins A and E nourish. It also has a broad spectrum SPF 30 in there, so perfect for summertime. Or if you live that West Coast life, something like this might even be all you need. So I'm gonna pump some onto my sponge. I'm curious to see how much coverage this does have, because typically tinted moisturizers are quite sheer. Oh, it smells so good, you guys. Going to sponge that on. It's interesting. It has a really you can feel it. I don't know how to explain it. You can feel the calmness of it on your skin, and it feels refreshing. Like there's this instant whoa feeling. I like to put a little of whatever face makeup I'm wearing on my eyelids. It's definitely canceling out a lot of my acne scars and the redness I have. I think this will actually be like a perfect everyday makeup for me. Even like a great beach makeup, maybe. Oh wow, so this is about 2 layers of that tinted moisturizer. I think the coverage is fantastic. Of course, it did not cover up all my spots and scarring because it's just not meant to. It's not a full-blown foundation. It's a tinted moisturizer. However, I would feel so comfortable just wearing this during the day, wearing it for errands or just, you know, visiting friends, a family, somewhere where you're not going to get really glammed up, where you want that 100% flawless coverage. It's a great day-to-day tinted moisturizer. I think it also gave me a really pretty glow. Next for concealer, we're going to be trying the Peeper Perfect Full Coverage Concealer. The packaging, again, it is so cute, but I do love that their ingredients are as good as their packaging. You know what I mean? Sometimes a brand can have really cute packaging, but is it the best for your skin? You don't know. Winky Lux is actually all non-toxic makeup, which is fantastic. So I'm taking some with my finger, just because I've never used this before. Ooh, that is thick, girl. This is in the shade Light, in case you were curious. Festival vibes up in here, and I'm ready for Coachella. Just kidding, they wouldn't have me there. I don't have enough glitter. Just kidding, I have so much glitter. Anyway, blending this in with my sponge. Oh, that's bright. I probably could have got 1 shade darker, but I feel like it's giving me that Kim Kardashian bright under eye, which you know mama wants. I love the glow it's giving me. I actually really like this shade. I think this is the perfect shade. I'm taking a little extra down my nose because you guys know I love to highlight, and this already has a beautiful natural glow. Now just really quick, I'm going to set that with a little translucent powder. So while my concealer is setting for a minute, I want to move on to setting the rest of the face. For this, I'm going to be using the Winky Lux Diamond Powder. It says diamonds are a girl's best friend on the back, which is super cute. This is in the shade Light. Please just look at this sponge for me. How cute is that with the diamond on it? So I'm taking some of the powder on my brush. This coverage I actually love. I'm a little surprised at how much coverage this powder has. I thought this was going to be definitely more of a sheer makeup look for me, and it is, I guess, compared to what I normally use, but I'm getting that coverage that I wanted out of a foundation on my acne scars with the powder. So these two together are a nice little duo. And it doesn't feel cakey or heavy either. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and dust off my under eye area, and I'm just gonna use the same powder brush. I'm like actually in awe at the amount of coverage we got from that powder. It definitely made it more full coverage, very close to full coverage. Next we're gonna try out, that smells like coffee. This is the coffee bronzer in the shade Latte, and it actually smells like coffee. I'm a little shocked. It is a matte bronzer. I know many of you who are more fair have a hard time finding a good bronzer, so I'm hoping maybe you see something in this one that you like. Oh my god, I cannot get over the coffee smell. That is so awesome. What I'm noticing is that the makeup all looks super natural. Everything seems to be kind of like a sheer veil of color, and it's not that it's not pigmented, because it is, but it's not overly pigmented. It's for someone who doesn't want to look like they have a pound of makeup on, and I really like that color. Let's get some on the hairline. You know this is my favorite place to bronze. It's extremely blendable is what I'm noticing. I like that it's not leaving any really harsh lines. And the coffee smell is just like an added bonus. Next we're gonna use a little highlighter. This is actually the Winky Lux Strobing Balm in the shade Lit. It is a cream highlighter. So I'm gonna take this with my sponge. I have better luck with a sponge when using cream highlighters. Whoa doggy. This is very, very, very white. It is a pale, pale, pale white highlighter. So if you're any deeper than me, you might want to look at a different shade. But I do have a bit of a tan, for me anyway, going on right now. And it's still showing up. So I think that's awesome. And I'm also going to do a little bit on the nose. Super, super cute. I really like that highlighter. Just a great natural glow. Now let's move on to the eyes. This is one of the moments I've really been waiting for. I have two eyeshadow palettes from Winky Lux. The first one is the coffee palette. I love the whole coffee theme. Look at this packaging. Cute little cups of coffee and flowers all over the top. And on the inside you have a basic go-to array of neutral shades, some mattes, some shimmers, a great just day-to-day palette. And then I also have the La Fruta shadow palette by Marzia and Winky Lux. This was a collab, and it is colorful, it is bright, it is fun. So we're gonna use both of these. First, starting out in the coffee palette, I wanna take some of this matte brown, and I'm gonna add that into my transition tone. I'm gonna attempt to do like a daytime smoky eye. I know that sounds crazy, but you know, like smoky eyes are pretty standard for me, even in the daytime. And I really just wanna see what these shadows can do. So I'm building that up right in the crease. Have you guys tried anything from Winky Lux before? I know I've gotten samples, I believe, in my Ipsy and in my BoxyCharm, but I can't remember if I use them or not. Sometimes I forget to open my sampler boxes. Blending really beautifully. And if you were interested in trying out a few Winky Lux products at a time, they do have different kits on the website, different groupings of makeup that you can try. That way you can save a little money. But again, if you use my link, you do get a free lipstick with a $15 purchase. So I think that's pretty awesome. Now I want to jump into the La Fruta palette, which has a lot more colorful shades. I really like this kind of peachy coral up here. I guess it's more of a coral. And I want to work that right into that crease, marrying that right on top of the brown. It's going to make it a bit of a funner crease color. It's not just quite brown, you know, super neutral. Oh, I'm obsessed with these colors fused together. This is like an easy way and kind of like a more subtle way to use a coral eyeshadow. If it's a little intimidating to you, just layer it on top of a neutral brown. That way you still get those tones, but it doesn't look so scary. It looks super fun and easy. This has been so fun playing with a new makeup brand today, you guys. It's been so long since I used something I've never ever tried before. I'm even more excited that I actually love the products so far. You guys know I just have to get into this cranberry shade at the end. I cannot ignore it. I love these colors. I'm gonna try not to go too overboard because I always abuse these colors. But I just wanna add a little bit right in the outer crease there. Right on the outer V. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I love that it's matte. Doing the same on the other eye. Lastly, I'm going to wet my brush with a little makeup setting spray, and we're popping into this first shade. It has a little bit of like a yellowy, peachy, duochrome look. Oh wow, super yellowy. This is such fun summer makeup. I'm just going to pop that right in the center. Oh wow, I love this. I just want to add a little bit of that brown onto our lower lash line so we can tie that all together. Can you guys believe this actually isn't like that smoky for me? Like, this is legit daytime makeup for me. Hit the thumbs up if you're the same way. We're dramatic girls, you know, it's our right to be dramatic. All right, so the eyes are done. I'm just gonna throw on some mascara and then I will be back to go over lip colors with you guys. All right, so the eyes are all done. I think this is such a fun, easy summer glam. It took no time at all. It still looks decently natural, but still like glam, you know? It's everything you want to be in the summertime. It feels easy and breezy and light, but still super pretty and super SHAE, so I love this. Next, we're going to get onto lip colors, and I have 3 lip colors we're going to be trying today. This first one, I am so excited. It's the very first product I noticed from Winky Lux, and ever since I saw it online, I needed to try these. This is the Winky Lux Flower Balm in the shade Pink, and wait till you see this. It actually has a flower inside. How beautiful is that? Like, I don't even want to touch it or ruin it. And they do have these in different really cool shades, but you noticed probably that it's clear. So this actually adjusts to your skin tone. It's kind of like a stain. Let's go ahead and try it because I'm so excited. Oh, it feels so smooth. Look at that. Look at my bottom lip compared to my top lip. It's such a cute pink. Oh my gosh. I love this. I love how, first of all, it's just simple, super easy, will go with anything. It gives you just the right amount of pink without being like obnoxiously pink. And the flower, I mean, you cannot beat the flower. That is so cute. I definitely want to try more shades of this lipstick. Next, we're going to swatch their actual lipsticks. This is the Creamy Dreamies Butterscotch lipstick. I love the packaging. It's a beautiful rose gold and white packaging, very classy. Ooh, a fun peachy nude. They really are like dreamily creamy. Dreamily creamily. I love that they're not a matte finish. It just feels more summertime, but not even summertime. It just feels comfortable. Love this color. You could throw this on with absolutely anything. It's a great everyday lip shade. The very last lip color we're trying is the same Creamy Dreamies lipstick, but this is in the shade Milkshake. Oh, wow. That's brighter than I was expecting. This color has my heart. It is so beautiful. I would love to wear this with just face makeup, lashes, and just this lip color. Like, it is such a statement on its own. I love this. And it's so comfortable, you guys. I cannot explain to you. It's so smooth and soft and moisturizing, but the color is there. It is alive with color. This has been such an exciting video for me. I legit am like a huge Winky Lux fan now. This has been awesome. There's nothing that I didn't like, but there's a few things I like the most. My most favorite product that I tried today was definitely the Tinted moisturizer. The feeling it gives your skin is just unreal. It feels so just hydrating, cooling almost. I can't explain it, but you definitely feel it on your skin and it feels awesome. I think the coverage is also super decent for being a tinted moisturizer and not a foundation. The La Fruta eyeshadow palette is like my new jam. This is a perfect summer palette. It's got all your summer colors in there and it's affordable and it's awesome and the packaging is so chic and glamorous. I loved all the lips, so it's hard for me to choose a favorite, but my 2 favorites are, for sure, most definitely the Pink Flower Balm. I will definitely buy a backup. I want to try the other shades. They did have some other really pretty ones on the website. I really want to try more. And then, as you guys know, the Creamy Dreamies lipstick in the shade Milkshake, like, I just fell in love with this. And I feel like you could even roll into fall with a fun lip like this. Like, they're adorable. So cool. That is it for my first impressions on Winky Lux. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you're going to be trying for them or if you've tried them already and what do you like from their brand. I definitely want to pick up some more stuff because this was so fun. Be sure to check out my link down below. That way you can get a free lipstick with a $15 order, which I think is fantastic. The lipsticks are bomb. You would really enjoy it. Everything from the packaging to the actual makeup just felt like magic, and their brand is inspired by magic and I feel magical. So thank you, Winky Lux, for letting me try these products. It was so much fun. Thank you guys for watching today. I love you and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye!